Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Rebecca, and today is day 8 in our Christmas series, 25 Days of Christmas. I'm really excited to be sharing some DIY ornaments with you guys today that are royal, cobalt, and indigo blue colored. Some of these kind of ornaments can be really hard to find and even kind of pricey. So I've got some Dollar Tree DIYs that will hopefully be able to save you a little bit of money and give you the fun and satisfaction of creating custom ornaments for yourself or your friends or family. And if you're not into the color blue, I hope you'll stick around anyway, because most of these ornament DIYs could be made in different colors to fit whatever your color theme is as well. Also, question for you guys, where is your favorite place to purchase Christmas ornaments from? And if it's Dollar Tree or DIY ornaments, then let me know where your second favorite place would be to get Christmas ornaments from. So this year anyway, I would say that my favorite place to get Christmas ornaments has probably been Hobby Lobby. Alright, so for this video, I've got a bunch of DIY ideas. I'm also going to show you guys my complete fail of an ornament, and then I'll show you my 2 favorite ones at the end as well. So let's get started. By the way, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So for the first one, I found that Dollar Tree has these diamond gemstone vase filler pieces in clear, but also in that gorgeous blue color I was looking for, and I decided to use some glue and glue the flat backs of the stones onto the plastic ornament balls. And this ornament has kind of a fun, cool, chic, and edgy look to it, if that fits your style, and this only cost about $1.50 to make. For the next one, I'm using a little picture frame from Dollar Tree, and I tried using hot glue and the bright blue mesh ribbon to make a hanger. This does work, but I actually think it would look a little bit better if you use something that was maybe a little narrower, like one of the ribbons that they have, something maybe a little less obvious than the large mesh, but use whatever you prefer. I then used the little blue glass mosaic tile stickers I found in Dollar Tree. This was the first time I've ever seen them, and one package contained enough for 2 ornaments with a few left over. And then I decided to frame a wedding picture of us, since this will be going on the tree in our bedroom. Now, a couple other options here would be, if you can't find those blue mosaic tiles, you could always spray paint the frames blue. If you have that color, spray paint or paint them. If you have a paint that's the color that you want, you could also, if you're doing like a blue and silver or blue and gold, you could leave the frames silver or even just spray paint them gold. I did consider doing that as well, but since I had these mosaic tiles, I wanted to see how this turned out and show you guys that option, because I think it's a little more self-explanatory for how to spray the frame. So either way, do what you like, whatever is easier for you or fits with your budget or decor better. Also, if you don't have a picture to put in the frame, you could always print off like a little Christmassy quote or something like that, or even handwrite something to put inside the frame. And I was thinking, if you did this for like a kid's tree, you could let your children actually like draw pictures or artwork that they want to hang in their tree, and then use the little picture frames to actually hang their artwork in the tree. That would be kind of cool too, and it would just cost you the $1 for the frame, or if you already have some of these little frames, even better. Moving on, I'm using one of these ornaments from Dollar Tree. Do you guys know what this ornament is called? Like, what's the name for this shape or style of ornament? Let me know, because I have no idea what to call it. Anyway, since the bottom part twists off, I decided to fill it with grape gumballs, which my husband will enjoy later. But for now, the color is slightly off from the more royal cobalt blue color that I was using in the tree. However, the color is actually the perfect shade of indigo to match with the wall art that I have hanging in my room. So I felt like it would help coordinate the blue I wanted to use in the tree with the existing artwork that's already on my wall. Okay, this next idea was a total flop. I tried using this glitter blue ribbon that Dollar Tree has. I thought it was so pretty, and I was trying to incorporate it because I felt like it would be the perfect color, but this turned out absolutely horrible. But I wanted to show you guys because, hey, not everything works out that I try either. I try stuff and be like, ew, that was horrible, but I'm gonna show you anyway, because you know what? I was thinking that this idea might actually look a lot better if you did it with something like lace that would like overlap better. So I think there's still hope if you just used a different type of ribbon or material to do this with. Just this ribbon turned out awful, but you might still be able to get an idea out of my fail. I tried using this sparkly blue ribbon because I thought the color was perfect for my theme, but it looks ridiculous in my opinion, no matter whether you cover the whole thing or just do a couple pieces and strips around it. At first I thought that one was gonna look a little bit better, but it really didn't. I'm not happy at all with the way they turned out. I think these are going in the trash. However, I do think that the concept of this could still work if you maybe had different material or different ribbon to use. For example, I think something like lace might look really nice and it would overlap much easier and not have such like rigid edges and look funny like that. You might be able to get it to lay flat on there, maybe gluing it on with like an adhesive or a Mod Podge or something, and maybe put lace and make the ornament covered in lace. I think that would be really pretty. But the glitter ribbon from Dollar Tree was a total fail. Okay, so now let me show you my favorite ornaments. For the first one, I used a blue nail polish from Dollar Tree, and you can get a bunch of ornaments painted from a $1 bottle of polish, which is really nice. This is one layer of polish on here, and I think it almost has like a hand-painted glass effect to it. And then I did another one where I did 2 coats, which really gives you a more true depth to the bright blue color. So I loved that. And then if you get some ornament markers, Dollar Tree had a pack of 3 that contains a white, gold, and silver ornament writer that works on plastic, and I think it works on glass. I think it worked on plastic and glass. These are like pens that you can use to write on your ornaments. You could write a date, a year, a word, a message. This was not only so fun to make, but it turned out really, really pretty. My mom saw this and she couldn't believe I made it. She thought it was something that I had found and purchased in the store. So I feel like this is something you could really make very customizable and maybe to give out as gifts this year if you're looking to do little handmade, unique, or custom ornaments to give to someone. Like I said, maybe something that has a significant date or a year or a scripture, message, verse, or even just a word. I decided to write joy on this one and then fill in with snowflakes, and I just hand drew some quick snowflakes on there and filled in around the ornament, and I think this turned out so, so pretty. And again, you could do this ornament in red or green for Christmas, or if you're giving it away as a gift, you could do it in the person's favorite color. Just pick up the polish in whatever their favorite color is and do it like that. So again, I feel like this ornament is very, very customizable. One other alternative with this would be to use the polish like a background color and adhesive by painting the polish on across like a third or half of the ornament, and then using some glitter to sprinkle on top, and then do the other half. If you do the whole ornament with polish, some of the polish is going to start having dried already probably, so the glitter won't stick as well. So maybe do like a third of the ornament or half the ornament with polish, sprinkle on your glitter, and then continue doing the ornament with polish and then glitter and finish it like that. I think this also turned out really, really nice, and Dollar Tree does have packs of glitter as well as the nail polish. So you can get all of this while you're in Dollar Tree and make these ornaments really, really inexpensively with the color polish and the color glitter that you want. The last one is so easy, you're probably gonna laugh, but it was super cheap, super easy, and honestly, super pretty. So I couldn't help myself. I have to show you guys. I made a whole bunch of these and I love how they turned out. Get a bag of the shredded paper basket filler from the gift wrapping section. I bet red would be stunning, and I may have to do some of those for my mom's tree. But this blue and silver combination is absolutely perfect for my blue theme in my bedroom decor this year. I got a whole bunch of small and large ornaments filled from a $1 bag of this shredded paper. You'll definitely get your money's worth on this one. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments which ornament idea was your favorite. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I hope you'll share it with someone who likes DIY projects and might be looking for some Christmas crafts and Christmas ornament DIYs. Like I said, I think a lot of these are very customizable as far as what you want them to say and even the color that you want them to be. So I had a lot of fun doing this, and I'm sure I'll be reusing these ideas in the future for other colors and other trees that I will be decorating around my home. And if you're curious how I'm using all of these ornaments and decor in my Christmas tree, then be sure that you click the subscribe button as well as the little bell next to it so you'll make sure you are notified. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon in the next one. Bye!